And that is prompt number 4, outline. Hi everyone, welcome to Hilltop View Journals. Today I am going to be doing Junk Journal January 2025, prompt number 4, which is outline. And I think I'm a little bit too close to my camera here, so let me just make that a bit smaller. There we go, sorry for the shake. And all I've got in front of me is a pile of scraps. Well, these are digital images. I don't know where they're from. They were in my stash and I thought, oh, they look pretty, so I'll cut them up. I've got a couple of stamped labels that I've made, and I've got an outline line drawing, a couple of bits of fabric and a little snippet strip there. And so this is going to be a very quick and simple video. All I'm going to do is arrange these on the page and make a very simple collage out of my line drawing. And I'm just choosing some of these that I really like, just the colours. I'm not too sure how many I can put on the page because obviously there's not that much room. I like that there, so I don't want to cover that up too much. I did want to do something with that as well. There. It might not all fit on there, but I've got them out. Let's rip this. And I quite like that, like that. And maybe a ticket. Like that. I quite like that. And yes, I do. So I'm going to glue these in place. So it's just a very, very simple collage. You don't have to make it complicated, especially if you are short on time. Just go with what feels right. Don't think too much. I'm just going to glue them so that they are kind of in the right spots. And I did want to add some of this. No, I don't want to add it to the bottom, because what I want to do on the bottom is I want to carry on that line drawing onto the page. That's what the plan was. I'll just glue that in place there. leave that for a second. Right, let's glue this in place and that will stick everything down. And what I want to do is get my pen. It's actually a 0.4 and it is a Pilot G-Tech C4. I just wanted to continue that on the page there, and then I just need to pop this prompt on the page somewhere. I don't think I can put it in the middle there. It's going to make it awkward to fold. I like that there. So I've gone over both sides of the page, which means I'll probably have to add more pages to this journal, but we'll worry about that when we get to it. That's the beauty of an accordion journal. You can pretty much do that. And what I'm going to do as well, which I should have done before I glued, is maybe just create a little bit of texture here. So it's a little crumpled and, you know, oldish looking. And there we go. I'm pretty happy with that. Nice and simple. Not too much effort. And there you have day 4 prompt outline. And I hope you enjoyed that. Do I want to add any more there? I do quite like that, yes. Oh, that's a nice side as well, isn't it, that colour? Oh, yeah, maybe we'll do that. One last thing then. Before I go, oh, I thought of something else I want to do. I want to do some stamping in the corner there. On there. On there. That's it, everybody. Hope you enjoyed that really quick tutorial. I think it's probably going to be one of the quickest ones so far. And that is prompt number 4, outline. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.